Just stepping out this morning, looking over the garden as I see the hen with her chicks, showing the oneness of nature, flowing in the full wholeness, being one with them the moment I saw them. Oh, how beautiful it is to see the chicken feeding, the hen feeding its chicks, and 7 of them as I look on, witnessing how free and one with nature the hen are as they in the garden, without anyone feeding. They get up, they feed, they're moving as one, taking care of each other, oneness with nature, oneness with all. Oh, how beautiful it is to see this and witness the greatness of oneness, of wholeness, as they're not looking for boundaries and borders, but crossing every borders, every boundaries, showing oneness with each other, making sure every chick eats, making sure every mouth be fed as she scrabbles and do her thing to make sure all her chicks eat. Look at the beauty.